This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in the city of Richmond. More specifically, I'm in Church Hill. Today we're going to take a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo. This condo is located here in a gorgeous historic building built in 1920. This building was formerly a bakery, and what was very popular back around 2005, 6, and 7 was builders and developers would find a project, find a building that was perhaps at the end of its useful life. This one, of course, was a bakery, and it may have been abandoned, I'm not even sure, but they took the building and then divided up into individual condos. Back then, there were a lot of incentives for developers to do that. We had state, federal, historic tax credits. The city has a real nice tax abatement program. And developers were able to utilize these programs and do some fabulous renovations to some properties. The name in the industry is called adaptive reuse. And here in Richmond, we have elementary schools, we have churches. This, of course, is a bakery. We've got all types of properties, tobacco warehouses that were renovated and then either converted to apartments or condos. The only way that you can tell the difference between a condo and an apartment is by the legal paperwork. From a structure standpoint, it's the exact same situation, except, of course, the owners own their units. There is an HOA in place, about $282 a month, and that includes plenty of amenities. Those amenities include a workout facility, a home theater. Actually, it's not a home theater, it's an actual theater. There are some common rooms. There's an outdoor courtyard, and you, of course, get the maintenance of the common areas as well. As we enter the unit, we've got a hallway, of course, leading to the back. Nice sconces on the wall, beautiful wood floors in here. This is going to be bedroom number 1. This bedroom is currently staged as an office, and I think that's probably the best use for it. It would be a pretty conservative bedroom, and we've got good closet space, however. You can see some of the character that was here. They obviously easily could have just gone ahead and smoothed this out and make it look just like a new construction property. But that's part of the charm, part of the character of an adaptive reuse. There's some things you leave in place in order to give it its character. The ceilings, we've got exposed beams on the ceilings. They come in and typically do exposed ductwork, and just to give it that nice kind of warehouse, rustic, urban feel. So a lot of people really like this style of living. We don't have a lot of condos in Richmond compared to other areas, but the people that choose this type of lifestyle really seem to enjoy it. Here to the left is going to be our stack washer dryer. Those units are very convenient. Obviously, you don't have to go to a laundromat. You've got that self-contained. Our heat pump, and then this is a water heater that's called a low boy. Low boy, for obvious reasons, is very low, and it is perfect for applications just like that, where you don't have a lot of height to work with, and you can just go ahead and get that unit in. This is going to be our master bedroom, but before we go there, we're actually going to take a look here at our bathroom. As I mentioned earlier, there is 1 bath here in this unit, and they did a really nice job with it. We can see we've got the cultured marble vanity top, a good looking tile floor in here. Our tub shower area is ceramic tile. So actually it's a ceramic tile look. That's actually not ceramic tile. The detachable shower head, of course. We've got a nice big oval tub here. This tub is definitely oversized, a little bit bigger on the sides than normal. Okay, let's take a look here at our master bedroom. We've got a little elevated level, little platform. This, of course, is kind of an open concept in this condo. It's not really the type of setup where you're expecting a whole bunch of people to come, and therefore there's no door there on the master bedroom. They did a fabulous job staging. In fact, they've got many of these staging items that are actually for sale. They left a sign here in the unit. Got a good amount of closet space there where the curtains are. You could compartmentalize that a little bit if needed. I wanted to give you a shot here of this ceiling. Not only do we have a ceiling fan, but once again, we've got those exposed beams. They went ahead and painted them all white. I've seen them where they actually left them natural. It just depends on what the developer wanted to do. And there, of course, is our exposed ductwork that runs throughout this unit. Okay, if we hang a left here, go to the kitchen and family room area. One thing about Church Hill, a lot of history here, and we're very convenient to downtown, to MCV, VCU. A lot of people really love this location. There's a very vibrant neighborhood association here. Their association prints a booklet, which is actually pretty substantial. We don't see a lot of neighborhoods actually doing that, but they've got articles, they've got a lot of good information in here, and the people that live in this area are definitely very active. Okay, here in our kitchen, we can see it's open. We've got stainless steel appliances, nice double bowl sink, granite countertop, maple cabinetry. Looks really good. Your refrigerator would go right there. They continued these wood floors all the way throughout this kitchen and this family room area. This here would be the equivalent of your pantry. We've got those nice tall doors and plenty of storage in there. Okay, looking back towards our family room area, nice and wide open, so you can do any number of things as far as your decorating. Big windows let in loads of light. We've got the eclectic look there for the light fixture. I'm going to give you a shot here from this end of the condo. A lot of people really like this type of living because they don't have to worry about dealing with the yard and all the other maintenance, yet they don't want to have the situation where they are renting and they want to own. They want to take advantage of the tax benefits and the appreciation, the equity they can build over time with a unit like this. So if this looks like it may be a good option for you, my name is Max Williams. I can be reached at 804-402-7788. On Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking a tour here with me in this beautiful condo. Y'all be safe. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd be so kind. Thanks so much. Have a great day.